So, update. Sorry, I haven't filmed a whole lot because this ended up taking like 3 hours for the front, and as you can see, it's a mess. But here's why it took 3 hours in the front. The link kit didn't want to come off, and I was trying to save it because I want to go back to stock suspension during winter. And well, right now I have no link kit in the front, so this rubber is loose, but I'm gonna order some tonight. So it took a while, but you can see it's a little bit lower, and again still jacked up in the back. It's gonna sag a little bit, but I'm happy with it. Except for the link kit, everything went well, surprisingly. And in the back is so much easier than the front. Like, it's only three bolts, like this one, and of course the top mounts, the trunk. But easy to get off, and a little bit loose knot will go a long way. Just to give you an idea, in the front it took me about 3 hours. In the back, 45 minutes. And I mean, look at my face. I'm tired, I'm sweaty, I'm dirty, I'm hella dirty, but it was worth it, I guess. So this video is not gonna end up being the do-it-yourself that I thought it was gonna be. More of a, saw me work a little bit and then I quit because a lot of people want me to do stuff on their car, so it slowed me down and blah blah blah, you know, it's life. But I can't wait for the link kit to come so I can really test ride the Scion with working suspension and all. But I'm gonna put the stock wheels back on. I'm gonna order my new wheels this weekend and an alignment next Friday. Stay tuned. Here we are a week and a half later, and the brand new link kit from Perrin just arrived. So this is the final piece of the puzzle. Well, we're done. The Endlink were quite easy to to install, and instructions were quite clear. You need to play with washers on the top a little bit to space it out, but overall easy to install and way better quality than the stock one. So if you're planning to do coilovers on an FRS that has a little bit of, well, an older one like me, had it for 5 years installed and all that, not even bother trying to save the stock from Endlink. Just call Perrin and order one set. It's really easy, really good quality from them. And if, like me, you're planning to reuse the stock suspension every 6 months, these are actually 2 bolts, like actual bolt heads, not any Allen stuff like the stock one. So it's going to be more durable and easier to remove on and off during my winter prep. So that's it for the install video. And if anybody's wondering the specs for how low I got, I took the Tein recommends in their in the manual, little book they give you with the coils. I went with the US specs, and in the front I removed 1/4 of an inch more than what it said, and to me that's a good look and it's practical. I don't want super stance that I cannot drive every day. This is my daily driver. I want to keep it functional. That's a big thing for me. So right now, look wise, it's good for me and works well.